Good morning, friends. Please refer to question number 18 of 2010. So, the advocate, after termination of the proceedings, that means the advocate appeared and the entire case has been decided. After the termination of the proceedings, the advocate appropriated the settled fee due to him. He has taken his fee. And the remaining amount was paid to the so-called client. So, but the question, it was questioned by the client, my dear advocate, I have given you so much of money and you say that you have taken some of the amount as fees, but the amount is not like that. We have discussed regarding the fee in the other manner. If there is any problem comes, then what to do? So baseline, please remember, advocate definitely should have lien over the property, but he cannot have lien over the fee. That means if the client willfully gives the money, you can take him. But if he gives the money, he pays you money to some other purpose, for the fees, for the settlement of accounts, for the court expenses, all these things, then after all these things are over, the rest of the money you can take only with the permission of the client, but not as though you have got a lien. Just like you may be knowing the banks. Banks will be having a lien. That means you are indebted 1 lakh to State Bank of India. You have got a deposit of 2 lakhs. You wanted to withdraw the so-called deposit of 2 lakhs. Then the State Bank of India can withdraw 1 lakh, adjust 1 lakh towards his account, and then only they give 1 lakh to you. So even though you have got a deposit of 2 lakhs, you will get only 1 lakh because of the lien. They have a right over the property. Likewise, normally we will be under the impression, suppose if the client gives you some 50,000, so if you spend 10,000 towards court expenses, 10,000 towards court fees and stamp, like that, if the 30,000 is remaining after the termination of the case, you can take 30,000 only with the permission of the client. But if he questions, then you have to give a reply as per Rule 27. So you have to make an account copy of the amounts given, that is expenditure and amount given by him, capital, all these things you have to tell him. But anyway, the main point is the advocate, please remember, the advocate cannot appropriate. Please remember Rule 20. Rule 20, of course, Rule 20 says actually it is regarding maintenance and property. That means after the termination of the proceedings, you cannot take the contingent fee. That means after the result. So if the court sanctions some 40,000 or so, you cannot take that money. But Rule 23, it is more relevant. Rule 23 says advocate shall not adjust fee payable to him by his client. Rule 27 says advocate should account for any amount received from the client. So best example, best case law, Prahalad Sharan Gupta, P.S. Gupta versus Bar Council of India, 1997. So normally here he has played mischief. Prahalad Sharan Gupta, he has misappropriated by the settled amount decided by the court. At the time, since he has got wagalat, the advocate can withdraw the money. Right? So you may be knowing he has withdrawn the money of 15,000 rupees, but he has not accounted for the same to the client. And actually, when the client pursued him, he has once again redeposited it and made the client go round and he has asked him to go and consult another advocate. For that, he has taken some money. All these things happened. You know that case. So, an advocate should not misappropriate the money given to the client by the court or by any agency. Second, he cannot claim it as a lien also. For this, R.D. Saxena versus Balram Prasad Sharma, 2000. In this case, so this advocate, R.D. Saxena, he has, of course, he has got many cases from the SBI. Of course, SBI, these people, they want to terminate his services. They asked for the files, that is Kattalu in Telugu we call them. But he did not give them till they pay him 93,000 rupees. He has demanded his lien amount of 92,000 They said they will pay. It has to be some higher authorities they have sanctioned. But they have to attend the court. Therefore, they wanted the files, but he did not give them. When the matter was put on to the attention of the Bar Council of India, it is clearly said it has gone to the level of Supreme Court also. Supreme Court held that advocate cannot claim lien over the litigation files entrusted to him. He can get it returned through civil process. If they do not give the fee, he has to file a case in the civil court of law. Of course, God only knows when it will be returned. Anyway, that is the settled position of law. We can't help anything. So, basing on above discussion and case laws, it can be concluded that advocate should not appropriate the fee to him without the consent of the client, and he can file a civil suit to get his fees. That's all. Right? Thank you very much.